Dobre rano, everyone. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Well, I just arrived here at Prague Airport, which is the Václav Havel Airport. Such a long trip. It took me about 20 hours of travel time. I'm exhausted, but I'm excited. I want to get out of here and I'm gonna go to Old Town. So traveling around Prague is not difficult. So hopefully this video will help you save the time and money. Well, to guide you also to make things easier for your next trip here and navigate you around town. So why don't you sit back and relax and let me show you step by step how to get to town. All right, let's go. For some of you international traveler like me, we will arrive at Terminal 1 and the other locals or within the European countries will be arrive at Terminal 2. Once you walk out the door, you have options on how to get to town. The first obvious one is absolutely taking a taxi or Uber, but then it will cost you between 20 to 30 euros, although it's very convenient. But I think we should take the public transportation because it is cheap, easy, and very reliable, and it's only cost 1.5 euros. And if you do not bring any Czech crown money, do not exchange them or using ATM. They are such a big ripoff. They will take most of your money away. But don't worry, the ticket machine will let you use your credit card. Buying tickets here is super easy and simple. All you need to do is just follow the instruction on the screen. There are options on how much time you want to buy and use the ticket for. I would recommend to buy 90 minutes ticket to get to town, unless you know you want to spend 24-hour or a 3-day tickets. But if you're not sure, just get the 90 minutes ticket so you will have enough time to get into town without any hassle. Once you pay the ticket with your card, the ticket will come out at the bottom of the machine. And also you can see how much the price total and for how many people. It will just show on the screen and super easy, and pay with a card, and that's it. And there you go. I am waiting for my ticket and now I have it and I am ready and will use it anytime I want to. And now let's get out of this airport. Prague Airport is not big at all and super easy to navigate. And if you can follow this path to get to the bus station, where we look and wait for the bus number 119 that will take us to the metro station. And there are plenty of ticket machines outside the bus stop if in case you do not want to get a ticket inside the airport. Sometimes the line can get too long. And this is the most crucial part and a common mistake for a tourist like me in Prague. We need to validate the ticket, so we'll show you the start time of your ticket, because if you do not validate it, you will get fined up to 50 euros. You actually have the option where to validate your ticket, either here or inside the bus. All you need to do is just insert your ticket into the box. It's just that simple. It might take a few seconds to process it. There you go, voila! It will just show you the time and the date when you start your journey. And here comes our bus. The bus will come every 5 minutes. It is super nice, clean, and very roomy. Lots of spaces for your bags and luggages. So it takes about 10 minutes ride to the metro station. You can look at the map of the destination, but don't worry where to get off because this bus will take you to Nádraží Veleslavín, which is the name of the metro station. That is where the last stop of this bus where everybody, including me, has to get out. We now arrive at the station. Alert! Alert! They only have stairs, unfortunately. So be ready to carry your heavy bags down the stairs like me. Okay, I finally made it here. So we want to make sure we go to the right, look at the arrow sign, the big green sign, and we want to find the entrance to the metro station. It will say Nádraží Veleslavín. Yep, there you go. It's a big heavy green sign. Oh, thank God they have elevator. Yep, that is really helpful, especially I'm dragging these luggages with me. And in case you forgot to validate your ticket, this is another chance to avoid that 50 euros fine that you may get if the ticket police check on you. And this is hands down the deepest and longest elevator down the tunnel. It is super heavy wind blowing on my face too. Once we get down the elevator, you want to find this big green sign with the number 1 platform, which is on the right side. This is where we want to wait for our train to the city center. And the good thing also, the train comes every 10 minutes. So just in case if you miss the train, another one will come right after. There are plenty room and place in the train. It's pretty safe. So when you look at the map, it takes about 5 stops to the city center or Old Town, which is the station name Staromestska. It only takes less than 10 minutes to get here. Look at the station, it's looking very trendy. Right now, I just need to look out for the exit sign to go up the streets. Well, there we are, 30 minutes later with just 1.5 euros. Yes, 1.5 euros. We have completed the easy and inexpensive trip into town. Well, guys, I made it. I'm in Old Town Prague right now. What do you think? Super easy, right? And simple and cheap. Just like step by step, you can do it. I show it to you and it's super easy. Well, thank you again for watching this video until the end. Please share this video with your friends and family, and hopefully you can use this when you come visit Prague next time. Until the next time, thank you so much. Sampai jumpa lagi. Bye.